how to switch back to Google Assistant from Gemini. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you no longer want to use Gemini as a default digital assistant and now want to switch back to Google Assistant? If yes, then you are watching the right video. First and foremost, let me show you that I'm currently using Gemini. To access Gemini, you can either long press the home button or simply say, "Hey Google." As you can see, Gemini gets activated as my default assistant. Now let's learn how to switch back to Google Assistant from Gemini. Open the Gemini app on a mobile device. You will land on the new chat screen. Tap on the circle with the profile picture at the top. A menu will appear. Scroll down to the end. Here, you will see the option to switch to Google Assistant. Tap on it. From here, select Google Assistant as your digital assistant. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure, along with details about what happens when you switch back to Google Assistant. Make sure to read it carefully, then tap Switch. You will be taken directly to the home screen from the Gemini app. Now whenever you say "Hey Google" or long press the home button, Google Assistant will pop up instead of Gemini. And that's it. You have successfully switched back to Google Assistant from Gemini. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.